Everyone. As we are continuing with 1.3, today's topic is methods of business of indigenous banks. Indigenous bankers have occupied an important place in the context of banking system in India. In the whole banking system of India, the place of indigenous bankers is very important. Why? Because indigenous bankers have been lending money mainly to the farmers in rural areas and small industries in urban areas. So, near about 70% of the population is living in rural areas, and most of them are farmers. And farmers are the base of the country, and small industries are also. So, helping farmers and small industries is the main task of indigenous banks. They are financially helping them all. Now, what is the methods of advancing loan by the indigenous banks? How they are providing loans to the small industries and the farmers. So, method of advancing loan, first is loan against the receipts. Loans are also given just against receipts. It mentions about the principal amount, interest charges, etc. Just on receiving the receipt, they gave loan against the receipt that you have taken loan, just give it in writing. Second method of giving loan is Bahi loans. Loans are advanced against signature of the borrower in account book or Bahi of the bankers. The borrowers promises to return the loan at the stipulated time. Means they are having a Bahi or register in which they take signature from the farmers or small industrial users. So, and they take signature that they will pay the balance amount along with the interest on a stipulated date. Third one is mortgage. Indigenous bankers gives loans on the mortgage of fixed and movable property of the borrowers. They take the movable property of the borrower, movable or immovable, both type of properties can be pledged against the loan. That is called mortgage. The word T is silent in this. Mortgage, it is pronounced, and it means that we have to keep something as security, whether fixed or movable. Fixed assets means land, building, plant, and etc. And the immovable properties like furniture, like jewelry, gold, silver, etc., diamond, etc., we can give them as security. So fourth one is discounting of the handis. These bankers also discount handis as well as given loan against them. What is the discounting of handis? Handi, I have already explained what is handis. So, handi is a receipt. Suppose you have taken goods on credit and you are giving a receipt against that you are having goods. We have purchased goods on credit, and this is a proof of credit purchase. And if the handi is of 3-4 months, what we can do? What can seller do? Seller can give them to the bank and take the money from them, and the bank will charge some discount. If the handi is of rupees 1 lakh and the bank will be giving 95,000, 5,000 is the income of the bank. Suppose person A is selling goods to person B. B will give the money back after 3 months, and for that purpose he has given a handi, just like a check or a bill. So of rupees 1 lakh, transaction was of rupees 1 lakh. B will give after 3 months. A will go to the bank and ask for the discounting of the handi. Bank will give him 95,000 today, but bank will take 1 lakh from B. So in this way he will get his payment on time, but after getting some discount. So this was the method of advancing loans. Bank can give us loan against receipt. Bahi loans means they are taking a signature in their Bahi also. Mortgage means we have to pledge something against the loans. Movable or immovable, both properties can be pledged. Discounting of handis. Handis are the like check and bill. They can be discounted before time from the bank. Now, what is the importance of indigenous banks? What they perform for us? Very important role they are playing in Indian banking system. First importance is credit to small traders. Indigenous bankers advance loans to such small traders who generally fail to obtain credit from the modern banks. These bankers advance loans not only to the urban traders but rural traders as well. So they are not giving only to the urban but rural traders as well. So small trade is getting a lot of credit and facilities from indigenous bankers. Second point, credit to agriculture. Since our 70% population is living on agriculture, so it's very important to take care of agriculture. Indigenous bankers advances enough loans to small farmers. Loans are advanced to the farmers on simply pledging their crops. They just have to pledge their crops, nothing more than that. Even landless cultivators are given loans by these bankers also. Not only they can keep their land as the security, but also they can keep the crop. Whatever will be the crop, they will pay out of that crop only. Land will not be pledged. This is not compulsory to pledge the land only. Means in the case of landless farmers, they can also take credit from bank after just pledging their crops. Last one, long-term credit they are also providing. Indigenous bankers also give long-term credit. Besides working capital needs of the small industrialist, their long period fixed capital needs are also fulfilled. These bankers also invest money in debentures of various industries, institutions. So according to Central Banking Inquiry Committee, indigenous bankers functions as confident friends, advisors and guides to their customers. So indigenous bankers topic was going on, and we have studied today the methods of advancing loan. Loan against the receipt. By simply taking a receipt, they can give you loan. Bahi loans means they will take signature in their registers and they will give you loan. Mortgage loan, they are pledging something against the loan, means movable or immovable property can be pledged for taking loan. Discounting of hundis. Hundis is a commercial document which can be pledged, and on the basis of that we can take loan. And what is the importance of indigenous bankers? They provide credit to small traders and credit to farmers for agriculture. Even for landless farmers also, they are providing loan against crops also. So this is a very big thing. Long-term credit. What is long-term credit? Long-term credit means for small industry traders, if they want to take fixed assets like machine building, so long-term credit is also provided by indigenous bankers to small traders. Thank you.